Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today I'll be doing my August 2020 favorites. So let's begin. So first I'm going to talk about pens and markers and stuff. So as I said in my recent videos, that this pen, the Pentel Energel Selena in blue and black, are one of my favorite pens now for like this year or this month. My favorite pens. And then another pen that I've been using for the whole year or so is the Uniball Signo DX in 0.38. Another favorite pen. And then next is a Tombow brush pen. I'm not sure what shade this is, but this is a gray kind of light shade. And then this Ecoline brush pen in 738, another favorite one of mine. And then we're going to some sticky notes or tabs. This is the ones I have been using for my planner for August. They're big. They were bigger than what I thought they were gonna be, like smaller, but nope. These are my favorite tabs that you can buy from Amazon. And then I have my hole puncher, or the 6-hole puncher from Amazon. So you can see right here, this is the brand. Love this so much. Oh, whiteout, important whiteouts. You can buy the brand name one, or it's got the no namers. And then I have this pencil case that stores my needle tip pen in black for my Pentel Selena. And then some sticky notes, which are in black. And we have the transparent sticky notes. I'm still trying to find a pen that works for this. For now, I'm just gonna I use that pencil to write on this. And then I use white pens for this. This is all my August 2020 favorites. Thank you guys. Bye.